Let's take a look at the new process for sending items from the blog, calendar, or the list builder out in an email. You used to be able to do that through those specific tools. Now you're going to use Email Plus to do that. So first, let's take a look at the blog. I'm going to click Manage and choose a blog that I want to send content out for, and I will choose the News Bureau Research blog. Okay, and here we now have a new column called Export. I can click these items. So let's say I wanted to export the first 5 items. They have to be published. Then at the top right, I can either export the summary or export the article. So I'll go ahead and export the summary since I've chosen multiple. And then we give you this box at the top, paste into Email Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of this and copy it. And now let's go to Email Plus. In Email Plus, I'm going to create a new email of type Email Wizard and give it a subject. I will just call it blog post for today. It's going to come from me, and I'll choose the group or groups that I want to send it to. Okay, now let's go to the Message tab, and this is where we're going to paste in that content from the blog, and we need a content block, so I'm going to insert a content block. Now I can't paste it directly into the editor. I have to click the source code button on the right. So I'm pasting that in. Okay, now we can see the content is in there. So I'll click Save, View, and there we can see all of the items that I chose to send out. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Now, of course, I could change the skin. If I wanted it to look like your college or unit, I could choose something else. Let's see, I will choose, how about Public Affairs. And now if I view this, I see all the same items in the Public Affairs skin. Okay, so that's how simple it is to send out an email list of the items from the blog. So let's take a look then at doing it from the calendar. And okay, so I'm going to choose my calendar that I want to send events out for, and I will say we want the performances calendar. So I'll select that, and again we have an export button. I'll just choose the top 5 and click Export for Email Plus at the top right. There is the block of code that we give you. I'm going to copy that, go to Email Plus, and create a new email. I will call it, you can call it whatever you like. I'll call it Calendar Events for Today. Okay, and whoops. Add my group. Go to the Message tab. Again, we need to insert a content block. And the important thing here again is clicking the source code button on the far right, pasting in that content, and clicking Save. Okay, there are the items from the calendar we're going to send out. Again, I could change the skin if I like. And the nice thing about this new feature is if I click Cancel or Back, now I could include maybe a title at the top. So, calendar events for November. So now if I view this, I don't see anything. Let's see. Oh, I put it at the bottom. So calendar events for, I will push that to the top, click Save, and View, and now it's on the top. So that's how easy it is, and it works exactly the same way with the list builder.